What if I told you that you can use Google's brand new AI tools, including Google Flow, completely free for 18 months? Yes, you heard that right. Google has teamed up with Reliance Jio to give users free access to Google AI Pro worth over 35,000 Indian rupees. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim the offer, who's eligible, and what's included. This offer gives you 18 months of free access to Google AI Pro, Google's premium AI suite that includes Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google Flow for video generation, image creation tools, and 2 terabytes of cloud storage. Normally, this subscription costs around 35,000 Indian rupees, but if you're a Jio user, you can get it free. To claim this offer, there are a few conditions. You must be an active Jio 5G unlimited plan user. That's the plan priced at 349 Indian rupees or higher. You need to be between 18 and 25 years old for early access. And you must have the MyJio app updated to the latest version on your phone. Once your offer is activated, you'll have 18 months of free access to Google Flow for AI video generation, Gemini 2.5 Pro for advanced chat and code, Google Drive Pro with 2 terabyte storage, and image generation tools built right into Google Workspace. You can use all these tools on desktop or mobile under your Google account. No extra login needed. And that's it. You've successfully claimed the free 18-month Google Flow and AI Pro subscription. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more AI tool updates, and drop a comment if you've already tried Flow. I'll see you in the next one. And don't miss the next video, where I'll show you how to use Google Flow step by step to create your own AI videos.